it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Before we get started, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and all the other ones. And if you haven't checked the other ones out, make sure you stop and check out my library of videos lessons that I have. Over 400 now and growing, as you can see daily, that I'm putting them up here and posting. Again, thanks a lot. So if you're ready to start this lesson, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning some background, and we're going to be taking building structures and learning how to build some fun and interesting things. And what's really fun and interesting is called an outhouse. Have you ever heard what an outhouse is? Do you know what an outhouse is? If you don't, check it out. So this is an old classic thing that actually was in the Westerns and in the Victorian time periods when people had to use the bathroom. That was their bathroom. It was called an outhouse. So anyway, so if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, what can you take home from this experience or lesson to learn from? You might not have heard what an outhouse is. Now you do. Now you kind of know what it kind of looks like. Well, take out your history books, do a little history lesson on learning different architectural buildings and stuff, and try to draw some of them. That's it. That's all I have to say. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.